Running a small business can be overwhelming. You're trying to manage everything from sales to customer support, all while growing your business. But what if there was a way to make it easier? Meet Zoho CRM. It's a powerful tool that can help you streamline your business processes and grow your customer base. Here are 5 easy steps to get started. First, customize your CRM to fit your business needs. You can add fields, create custom modules, and even automate workflows. Next, import your contacts into Zoho CRM. You can import them from a CSV file, or connect your email and social media accounts to automatically import your contacts. Now, manage your sales pipeline. Zoho CRM lets you track your deals from lead to close, and even forecast your sales revenue. With Zoho CRM, you can provide great customer support. You can track support tickets, assign them to team members, and even create knowledge-based articles for your customers. Finally, analyze your data. Zoho CRM gives you insights into your sales and marketing performance, so you can make data-driven decisions and grow your business. With Zoho CRM, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Try it today and see the difference it can make.